Oh!
You're lucky my thing goes a little to the left.
Alright, I'll come into the kill again.
Try to swoop me up. I dare you for the wheel.
I don't want to do a head on. I want to come in behind you. That's my style. Right pole.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, do that again.
Yes!
One of these days, kid. One of these days. Bogey. Coming in for the kill.
Oh!
Do it again. Bogey.
Where?
Fly. The eagle's coming in.
If I was like literally in front of you, you would have hit me. Yeah. You got another one, right?
Fly through it. Yeah, I got spare landing gear if you break them. No! Nice.
Like that, Noah James?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's do it again.
I think all this driving is getting the dirt off my wheels, so that's good.
You better look out because there's an eagle coming down on the spot.
Oh, really?
Wow, that was nothing. Let's do it again. This isn't flying. You stay out the middle, I'm going to shoot you up and take you away.
Listen, if you catch me.
Here comes the eagle.
Nice, you almost scratched the wings off.
I'm taking you away now because the eagle sees the prey on the ground. And here it comes.
Oh, here he comes.
If I get like a truck that looks like Shockwave from the air show, like everything like the.
I'm going to come in behind you.
Alright.
I can get a better beat on you. You go up that end, right where you are. Right where you are. I'm going to come right on top.
Oh!
Yeah, we did it! We did it!
Yes!
I got it on video.
Yeah!
And that was a gentle hit.
No, I think that was a big thug.
It's going viral, boys.
It's going viral. Cub versus hot rod.
Hey, Noah.
Yeah.
You need the button on your transmitter like Dave has that says Super Cub Killer
I know, I heard.
activated.